guys, welcome to my channel. It's Naturally Timmy, and today is part 2 of my 3-part series with Pantene. So today I'm going to show you guys how to refresh your wash and go. Something that I struggle with when doing wash and go is refreshing my wash and goes. Most of the times I do a wash and go, and then when I'm ready to just restyle, I just wash it because of the tangles that come with wash and goes after they dry and things like that. But I was able to get a refresh on the wash and go. In the video you're gonna see my day 9 old wash and goes. Last video I showed you guys how to do a fresh wash and go, and it lasted me 9 days. So I decided to use a cocktail of products that will work for me. You guys know that all hair types are different, so this is the cocktail that worked for me. And so I use the Pantene Intense Hydrating Oil, and I also use the Butter-Crème, the Hydrating Butter-Crème from Pantene Gold Series as well. And I'm going to tell you more about these products as we go through the video. So if you guys want to see how I refresh this wash and go after 9 days, then just keep on watching. So like I mentioned before, this is the 9th day of this wash and go, and it was time to do some refreshing. I started off by using the Intense Hydrating Oil from the Gold Series, and I just coated it out all over my strands, and then took some water and mist my hair just so the curls can loosen up and they won't be as stiff. And then I went ahead and took my Pantene Hydrating Butter-Crème, put that all over my head, coated my hands with it, and used the praying hand methods just to go ahead and revive those curls. Now I didn't put my hand through the curls because I didn't want to create any frizz. I wanted to create curls that weren't there without disturbing the ones that were already there. So what I like about this Butter-Crème is it's very versatile, so you can use it if you have relaxed hair, if you have transitioning hair, also if you have natural hair. So it works for all hair types basically. And another thing that I like about this Butter-Crème is that it's a cream-based product. Like I said, when it comes to the summertime, you don't want such a hard hold on your hair. So well, for me personally, I opt for creams rather than gel in the summertime, just because I want my curls more relaxed, more flowy, and I just don't want them to be as stiff. I don't think I need as much hold in the summertime as I do in the winter. So that's why I opt for creams, and I really like this Butter-Crème. It's so lightweight, no crunchiness to your hair, and it definitely gets the job done. As you can see, my curls are coming back to life. So you want to make sure that you do that with the whole section, and don't be afraid to use any amount that you need. If you use a lot, it really dries clear, so just keep that in mind. And this is how my hair looked. And then I waited about, let's say 6 hours, and my hair was 95% dry. And this is how it looked. I just did a little bit of fluffing, just a tad bit of picking. I really didn't need to do that much picking. But yeah, so this is how my wash and go turned out. I really like it. I like that it looks like a short do. I don't have to have big hair if I don't want to. I can have short hair and rock it for the summertime. So thank you so much, Pantene, for understanding that no two heads of hair are alike, and for creating a line that caters to our varying needs. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.